Boop. ChatGPT and the other large language model AIs like it are the biggest change in computing that we have seen in our lifetimes. My response to this was, aw crap, and then this is really creepy. I didn't understand it. I felt overwhelmed by, oh my gosh, once again, the world is changing on me. Since then, I've been playing with it, experimenting with it every day. I have been keeping up with all the online conversations, but what the heck is happening to our world? What is this thing? How do we use it? In this workshop, I'm taking all of that and squeezing it together to help you see how you can use this to not replace your skills, but to help you extend your skills, how to learn faster, how to teach better, how to write more wonderfully, how to give a speech that really connects with the emotions of your audience. You will get so many tips and tricks as part of this. But with this come many new dangers, very real dangers. I'm going to help you spot, especially for kids. I say this as a father. I'm going to help you spot them. Better, the dangers come when we misconceive of what something like ChatGPT actually is. It talks like a person, so it's probably a person, right? Or something like it. No, it is not. We are going to together break it in a whole bunch of different ways. We're going to push ChatGPT to its very edge and then a little bit beyond so that you get to see the true faces of ChatGPT to understand how you should be using it. If you sign up now, you can watch it live on Saturday, March 6th, 2023. If you can't make that, no problem at all. You will get the recording delivered to your inbox the very next day. You don't need to wait until then to start playing with this. If you just Google ChatGPT right now, you can get a free account and get started. If you don't want to get a free account, just Google ChatGPT Sandbox. Not as powerful, but still, it gives you a sense of what this is. And you can literally start in the next 60 seconds. I'm going to be honest with you. The internet has not been this much fun for me since the early days of the World Wide Web. And how to talk to computers and get the most information out of them is looking like it might just be the killer professional skill for the rest of our lives. You don't want to be late to this party. This workshop will take kids and adults from total noob to power user in under 2 hours. Hope to see you there.